Hello? Mark, is that you?
Hi, Lisa. Yes, it is me.
I haven't heard from you in days.
Sorry, I have been incredibly busy.
How are you doing honestly?
To be honest, not very well.
You sound really tired.
I feel completely drained right now.
Is everything okay at work?
It is just endless stress lately.
Are they giving you too much work?
Yes, the deadlines are impossible.
You cannot work like a robot.
I feel like I live at the office.
This is not healthy for you.
I know, but I have no choice.
You sound like you are burning out.
I dread waking up in the morning.
That is a very bad sign.
I used to love my job.
What changed in the last few months?
The pressure just keeps increasing.
You need to protect your mental health.
I feel trapped in a cycle.
Are you sleeping enough at night?
No, I wake up every few hours.
Stress is ruining your sleep quality.
I also have constant headaches.
Your body is telling you to stop.
I ignore it and drink more coffee.
Caffeine is not a real solution.
It is the only way I survive.
We missed you at the dinner yesterday.
I was too tired to go out.
You are isolating yourself from friends.
I just don't have the energy.
Socializing actually helps reduce stress.
I feel I'm no fun to be around.
We are your friends, we understand.
Maybe I should have come.
Can you talk to your manager?
He does not listen to anyone.
Does he know you are overwhelmed?
He thinks we should work harder.
That is terrible leadership.
He only cares about the results.
You deserve a better boss.
It makes me feel inadequate compared to everyone else.
Please don't compare yourself to others.
But everyone on Instagram looks happy.
Social media is just a highlight reel.
They seem to have perfect jobs.
Everyone has struggles you don't see.
I guess I feel a bit jealous.
Focus on your own journey.
You are right, comparison is bad.
When is your next vacation?
I haven't planned anything yet.
You need to take a break soon.
I am afraid to leave the office.
The work will be there later.
I feel guilty when I rest.
Resting is part of being productive.
Maybe a long weekend would help.
Do you still play basketball?
I stopped going to the gym.
Exercise is the best stress relief.
I am just too lazy after work.
You need to force yourself once.
I miss the feeling of playing.
It clears your mind completely.
I will try to go this Saturday.
Is the money worth the stress?
The pay is good, I can't lie.
But you have no time to spend it.
That is the irony of it.
Your happiness is more important.
I have bills to pay though.
Maybe you can find a balance.
I need to think about my priorities.
Remember how hard you studied?
Yes, I worked hard to get here.
You are capable of handling this.
Sometimes I forget my own strength.
You have overcome difficult times before.
This is just another challenge.
Exactly. You are a survivor.
Thanks for reminding me.
You need to learn to say no.
I don't want to disappoint anyone.
People treat you how you allow.
I always say yes to extra work.
Stop checking emails at night.
It is a bad habit I have.
Your evenings are for you.
I will turn off my phone tonight.
Does your family see you often?
I am physically there, but mentally absent.
You need to leave work at work.
I keep thinking about tomorrow's tasks.
Try a ritual when you get home.
Like changing clothes immediately?
Yes, switch to relaxation mode.
That sounds like a good trick.
Have you been outside today?
Only to walk to the car.
Go for a walk in the park.
Fresh air might do me good.
Nature has a calming effect.
I feel stuck in concrete walls.
Even 10 minutes makes a difference.
I will go for a walk later.
What did you eat for lunch?
I think I just had a sandwich.
You need nutritious food for energy.
Fast food is just so easy.
Sugar crashes make you more tired.
I have been eating poorly lately.
Drink more water too.
Okay, Mom, I will do it.
Let's focus on solutions now.
What do you suggest I do?
First, make a priority list.
Everything seems important though.
Identify the top 3 tasks.
And ignore the rest for now?
Yes, focus on what matters.
That might reduce the panic.
Have you looked at other jobs?
I haven't updated my resume in a while.
Maybe it is time to look around.
Starting over sounds scary.
Staying there sounds scarier.
You have a good point there.
Just check the job market.
I will browse LinkedIn tonight.
You are a talented person, Mark.
I don't feel very talented recently.
Do not let this job define you.
My confidence is a bit low.
You are more than your job title.
I needed to hear that.
Believe in your own value.
Thank you for the support.
We should meet this weekend.
I really need a distraction.
Let's go to that new cinema.
A movie sounds like a good idea.
No work talk allowed though.
Promise, I will not mention work.
We will have some fun.
I am looking forward to it.
Do you feel any better now?
Yes, talking really helped me.
Keeping it inside is toxic.
I feel a bit lighter already.
Call me whenever you panic.
You are a great friend, Lisa.
That is what friends are for.
I appreciate your time.
Go and make yourself some tea.
I will do exactly that.
And try to sleep early tonight.
I will try my best.
See you on Saturday then.
See you. Have a good evening.
Take care of yourself.
Bye bye.